Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're going to find a teacher email now. Start at Classroom. Google. Com and sign in with the school account. Once signed in, make sure you're in the correct class by checking the class name at top left. If you see only class code or limited options, verify your role. Teachers, co-teachers, and admins show more contact details. Guardians and some student views hide emails. While you're here, open the People tab immediately. That's where teacher entries appear. Don't skip role checks. Now, enter the class and click People in the top row. This is the main step to view teachers. Once there, focus on the Teachers section. Each teacher row often shows a contact icon or a three-dot menu that reveals email details when allowed. If you don't see an email, try selecting the teacher name. Some views open a profile card with more info. If the list is long, use the search box or press Ctrl plus F and type the teacher's last. Finish by opening the teacher's profile card or clicking any visible contact icon and copy the email address. Right-click, copy, paste where needed. If the email is hidden, send a private comment on an assignment or post a class question requesting contact info. Explain why you need it. If that fails, contact your school admin or consult the school directory. Permissions may restrict classroom visibility. Quick tip: clear cache or switch browsers if elements don't appear. Sometimes UI glitches hide contact controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.